Here we have a Range Rover Autobiography in Loire Blue. You have 21-inch alloys with a light silver diamond turned finish. A powered tailgate and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have Autobiography illuminated tread plates and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting, which looks quite cool, especially in the dark. You also have a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, which makes parking and reversing safer and easier. Sat nav and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. Cruise control, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which makes driving on the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage, which is a luxury to have. All the seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 3,626 miles. And you also have a digital TV, which can be quite handy if you're ever waiting around in the car. You also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.